How do we upload testimonials as well as referral notes using the Headquarter system? We can do so by tapping on the Trust Recommendation system right here. How can we create a new entry? Tap on the Add New button here. We will be prompted to upload a photo of ourselves with our referrer. Select an image. Once we upload the image, we will be led to the page where we are able to fill out the rest of the entry. Here, Jack is writing Jean a referral note to his friend named Alice. He's also going to write good things about Jean that positions Jean well in the mind of Alice. After the entry is submitted, a unique referral link will be created. All Jean has to do is to copy this text right here to forward to Jack via WhatsApp, who will then forward to Alice because Jean does not have Alice's contact at this point. So far, this is a referral note personalized to Alice, but what if Jack wants to personalize to another friend named Benny and he wants to use the exact same message with the exact same image? We can do so by clicking on the plus button right here that will create a duplicate for us. And here, we can go on to write another name to personalize to another friend of our client. So how do we set up a testimonial? The difference between a referral note versus a testimonial is that while referral notes require us to enter the specific individual that we are personalizing to, testimonials tend to be more generic and it can be more straightforward. So if it is a testimonial, we can simply leave the tool field blank right here. Also, remember to get our client to sign off not just with their name, but also their job title and company, because this will give us credibility. And because this is a testimonial that requires no forwarding to any specific person, we can simply tap on Done and directly post it on the web profile right here. So how do we get the testimonials to be uploaded on the main website itself, on the Wall of Trust? We can do so by starring the entry. Once we star the entry, it will appear on the main website itself. What if we want our most important entries to be at the top always? We can pin them. How do we pin them? We can tap on the Wall of Trust button right here to reveal all the items on our Wall of Trust, which will also reveal all the icons. And tap on the Pin button. Once we pin the entry, it will go right to the top and be stationed there.